Hello, hi, how is everybody doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am all glammed up because I just came back from a shoot and I just randomly thought of shooting this video because I have a bunch of product empties with me. Don't read the bag, it's not about that. I have just collected these product empties over past 6 months, so this is basically a half yearly product empties review. So without any further ado, I think we should get started. Just to clarify, there's no specific order. I'll just review what I grabbed from the bag. So first up we have this Plum Body Loving Vanilla Body Lotion with cocoa butter. Whenever I apply this, I smell like a vanilla cupcake for sure. It also caters to my dry ass skin, so that's good. I love to pair it up with the body oil of the similar fragrance, the Vanilla Vibes one. I love to do that because the fragrance stays longer on the body. I think I will buy this again because it smells amazing. It smells very summery, very sweet, very vanilla. It's a nice product. Another body lotion, we have the Parachute Body Lotion, Silk and Smooth, Coconut Milk and Honey. No, it doesn't moisturize my skin at all. My skin feels very dry even after I apply this. So this is a hard no for me. Next up we have this Be Blunt Intense Shine Hair Mask. This one right here. Honestly speaking, this is an okay product for me. It doesn't perform like my other hair masks do. I'm okay with the results that this gives, but I know I can have much better results with my other hair masks. I will not reach out for this until unless it's an emergency. So next we have this Dove 10-in-1 hair mask. It tames my frizzy hair like nobody's business, and I will continue to purchase this again and again and again. It would be a very close call if I had to choose between the Dove hair mask and the L'Oreal 72 hours rehydrating conditioner. I have never come across a conditioner as good as this one. Whenever I apply a conditioner, I have to go again with the hair mask, but not with this one. This is extremely moisturizing. This hydrates my hair, tames down the frizz as well. So this is a great product and I will buy this again. So this is a hard yes. This product was here in my last product empties video and it is here yet again. It is the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Hair Mask. So I think it's pretty evident how much I like this product. The major reason why I keep going back to this is that it's vegan and PETA approved. This is something that I cannot ignore. So I will continue to buy this no matter what. Another hair product coming right up is the L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Shampoo. It's a hard yes. It's a cult favorite for a reason and I don't have to explain it anymore. Just try this and you will know. Next we have 3 empty bottles of the same product. It is the Moxie Gentle Cleansing Shampoo and I think this is all the evidence that you need. I was facing this issue where my scalp would turn really oily and greasy the very next day after my hair wash. And after doing my fair bit of research, I understood that there has to be a cleansing shampoo in your routine to get rid of the product buildup. So that's when I tried this and I have been using it since then. Try this out. If you have the same issue, try this out. It might be the product buildup on your scalp. Another hair mask, for God's sake. We have the Tresemme Hydra Matrix Treatment Mask. It's right here. I really like this product. It hydrates my hair, provides the right moisture, smells amazing, but it is not that close to the Dove one, so it's the first runner-up, honestly. And yes, I will buy this again once I get bored of the Dove one. I keep changing my products. Yeah, I will gravitate back to this. Next up, we have this Arata Curly Hair Cream, and my review for this is a resounding yes. Because even though I have volume, I have very fine texture along with waves. I have 2B hair type. This just works for me. It doesn't pull my hair down, doesn't make it heavy, or doesn't flatten out my scalp. I just like this product a lot. It does what it's supposed to do and not weigh down my hair, and of course gives a good definition to my waves. And I will go back to this. This is going to be the last hair care product and it has to be an oil. And it has to be the Individual Trumpy Hair Oil. People who know me know I oil my hair on a regular basis. This has worked wonders for my hair. It will completely change your hair game, trust me on this. I know it is a little bit on the expensive side, but it has strengthened my roots. It has helped me out with my hair fall. It smells amazing. Just get this. Starting skincare with a strong contender. It is the Tony Moly Ceramide Mochi Toner. It was there in my last one. It is here yet again. I drench myself in this. Get this and you will thank me later. Next up we have this Nykaa Clay Cool Oil Control Clay Mask. No, I have never seen a major difference in my skin after using this. I even don't know if it cleans my skin, for fuck's sake, so I would not recommend, honestly. I have used way better masks and this doesn't come close at all. Another milky toner, we have Nutritious Watery Essence from Neef Neef. I got this as a part of a paid collaboration, and now that the collaboration is over, I think I can give you my honest review. I like this product. I really like this product. It is a game changer if you have dry skin. Just avoid using this on any sort of wounds or cuts. I just apply 2 to 3 layers of this on my skin and I get the most plump skin of all time. Next up we have the Supercharged Peptides Serum Jelly from Salt Labs. I have never used a product like this before. It sits amazingly well under makeup. I cannot describe it. It's just a different hydrating product. It's different from what I've used before. That does not necessarily mean it's a bad thing. I am down to trying this out again. Next up we have the Oat Extract 6% Gentle Cleanser from Minimalist. It's a good product and I will buy this again. It doesn't pull out all the oils. My skin doesn't feel extremely dry after using a face wash. This is, I think, my 3rd bottle. I haven't used this consistently, but I keep coming back to this, so it's a nice product to have. Up next we have the Anua Peach 70 Niacin Serum. I cannot stop talking about this. This is a banger serum. If you have dark spots, if you have acne marks, run. Go run and grab this right now because this is such an amazing product. I will buy this again and again and again. We have a body product. It's the Sunscoop Body Sunscreen. Absolutely no. The product is amazing. I won't deny that. But the packaging is so bad. So bad. The container stops working after a point of time. So it's a hard no. What a miss by Sunscoop, bhai. What a miss. Another sunscreen from Aqualogica. It's a no-brainer. Get this. It protects your skin. It doesn't leave it too oily. No white cast. Amazing blendability. Just get this. We have yet another sunscreen by LET. It's the Under My Umbrella Gel Sunscreen. Hard pass. I received this in PR, but a hard pass. Do not get this. It's a shit ass product. I don't know about protection, but it leaves a fuck all white cast on your face. You have way better sunscreens in the market. Don't invest in this. Oh my god, I don't want to do this. I am so tired. I'm so hungry. Next up, we have the Ceramide Super Cream Hydrating Moisturizer from Foxtail. It's a good product, good packaging also, cute color as well. It's neither lightweight nor too heavy. Sits right in the middle. So for somebody with normal skin or combination skin, this is a product. And for our last products, we have Perfora Probiotic Rinse. It's a mouthwash. Great product. Get this. You will feel instantly fresh. And it's a good product to have. We have the Perfora Activated Charcoal Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. Oof, mouthful. It's an okay product, honestly. I like my current toothpaste better, which is the Colgate purple one. I will link it somewhere here. So these were all the products that I collected over past 6 months, and these were all the product empties from 2026. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Let me know what you think about them, and also tell me if you want me to try something new, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.